You can easily make money online using YouTube automation. The How to Niche is a great way to start a YouTube cash cow channel. You don't have to ever show your face. Just record your educational videos. As you can see, this channel is actually monetized.
Hey, I'm Darlene and you're watching a rapid fire art tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a male and female face from scratch. Then I'll demonstrate how some easy modifications can affect the overall look of the face. Let's start with a male face. First, draw a circle.
Still don't believe me when I say, you can easily make money online, using a YouTube cash cow channel? Then keep watching. You can easily share your cooking skills online, while getting value from it. So, what are you waiting for?
I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow, the warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, I found my bones.
Getting value? Why don't you support us by liking this video and subscribing? Many people would like to lose weight and keep their body fit. The fitness niche is a great niche for YouTube automation. As you can see, this niche attracts a sizable amount of views. And the content is also monetized. As you have clearly seen, there is great potential in making money online using YouTube cash cow channels. Do not be left behind. Join our community by subscribing to receive great tips on how to make money online and grow your YouTube channel.
When you embark this journey, you must know that it's going to go down before it comes up. But when it comes up, it's going to go so much higher than you've ever been. Sacrificing today for tomorrow's betterment. You have to be equipped mentally to endure this process.
Greatness is when we overcome our own boundaries, when we surprise ourselves.
When mapped out, when we get the long view, when we get the big picture.
That's greatness. Ask not what the world needs, ask instead what makes you come alive, because what the world needs is more people who have come alive. What makes you come alive? What gives you the goosebumps? What gives you the chills? What makes you well up?
wealthiest place on the planet is the graveyard. Because in the graveyard we will find inventions that we never ever were exposed to. Ideas, dreams that never became reality. Hopes and aspirations that were never acted upon.
Who doesn't love eating? I for one do, although I'm not really into the exotic. Also, I have a bit of a weight problem. Some exotic foodies in the US, however, won't be able to try any of these delicacies. Today we're going to talk about 15 foods banned in the UN.
See you on the next one.